Good morning, students. Today, our topic is a new religious sects came to existence with the contemporary period of Jainism and Buddhism during the time of BC 6th century. They are one is Ajivakas and the second one is Lokayats. These two sects are also existence with the Buddhism and Jainism during the time of BC 6th century. About the information of Ajivakas and Lokayats can be discussed in this video. Okay? It is also one of the most important very short answer questions in the annual examination point of view. Anyone come out of these two texts. Okay? Listen to me carefully and write down the key points on your notes. So, what is our topic today? Ajivakas and Lokayats. So, first of all, I will explain about the Ajivakas. Ajivakas were rational fatalists. Rational fatalists. This is very important word. Rational fatalists. They were rational fatalists. The exponent of this sect was Makkali Gosala. Who is exponent? Exponent nothing but founder or establisher. Who is the establisher of the Ajivakas? Makkali Gosala. Who is that fellow? Makkali Gosala was the founder of the Ajivaka sect. And he was behaved in a non-conformist. This sentence statement about the character of the Makkali Gosala. What is that? Non-conformist. It means knocked and drunk. నగ్నంగా అతడు తాగుతూ తిరిగేవాడు అన్నట్టు. దట్స్ వై ద అజివకాస్ వర్ నాట్ రిసీవ్డ్ బై ద పీపుల్ ఇన్ మచ్ మోర్ లెవెల్. పెద్దగా ప్రజల నుంచి పెద్ద ఆదరణ అనేది లేదు. సో వై? బికాస్ అజివకాస్ ఆర్ అండ్ నాన్ కన్ఫర్మిస్ట్స్. దట్స్ వై ద పీపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ received this type of sects. And Makkali Gosala used songs and dance for the rituals. When they are conducting rituals or ceremonies, they were doing songs and dance. వాళ్ళు పాడుతూ ఆడుతూ కొన్ని రకాలైనటువంటి డ్యాన్స్ ఫామ్ చేస్తూ they are performing their rituals and ceremonies. The sect believed in the philosophy of free determination. What they are believed? The philosophy of free determination. వాళ్ళు దీన్ని నమ్మేవారు అన్నట్టు, free determination. And they also believed in soul and rebirth. They believed soul and rebirth. When the birth of soul, after it concluded or joined in rebirth. ఆత్మ చివరికి దేంట్లో కలుస్తుంది అన్నారు? రీబర్త్. పునర్జన్మలో కలుస్తుందని వీళ్ళు పేర్కొన్నారు. అంటే ఒక రకంగా దే ఆర్ బిలీవ్డ్ ఇన్ సోల్ అండ్ రీబర్త్ థియరీ. రీబర్త్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది వేదిక్ ట్రెండ్ ఆర్ వేదిక్ కల్చర్. And they were opposed to karma theory. They believed soul and rebirth, but they opposed karma theory. Karma is the finest theory of the Vedic culture. And who were another great teachers of this sect? Ajita Kesha Kambali. Ajita Kesha Kambali and Fakuda Katsayana. Pakuda Katsayana and Ajita Kesha Kambali. These two members are most popular of this Ajivakas sect. Okay, this is information about Ajivakas. So Ajivakas were the rational fatalists. Makkali Gosala is the founder of this sect, and they have behaved in non-conformist. He used song and dance when they are conducting ceremonies, and this sect believed in the philosophy of fate determination, and also believed soul and rebirth, and they were opposed karma theory. And another famous two teachers are in there. One is Ajita Kesha Kambali and the second one is Fakuda Katsayana. These two members are the most popular teachers of Ajivakas. So now I am going to explain about Lokayats. Lokayats known as Charavakas. Charvakas. Lokayats known as Charvakas. Why? Because Charvaka was the famous pilgrim teachers of this sect. That's why who the followers of Lokayats, they were known as Charvakas in later period. Okay. Write down the students. Lokayats. Brihaspati was the founder of the sect. Who is the founder of the Lokayats? Brihaspati. Brihaspati was the founder of the Lokayats. Who is Brihaspati here? Brihaspati is the legendary guru of the god. Who is Brihaspati? He was the legendary guru of the gods. Devatala guru annattu. Brihaspati. He was the founder of the Lokayats. What is mean by Loka? In Pali and Sanskrit language, Loka means the world. What is that? Loka means the world. World means nothing but Prapancham. Loka means Prapancham, world. Which language? In Pali and Sanskrit. And Lokayats believed materialism. Lokayats believed materialism or physialism, because they believed everything in the world. ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి దాన్ని కూడా వీళ్ళు నమ్మేవారు అన్నట్టు. దట్స్ వై దే వర్ కాల్డ్ మెటీరియలిస్ట్స్. ఇట్లా మనం భౌతికవాదులు అంటాం. ఇన్ తెలుగు వి కాల్ భౌతికవాదులు, మెటీరియలిస్ట్. వై? బికాస్ దే బిలీవ్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. ప్రపంచంలో ప్రతిదాన్ని నమ్మేవారు అన్నట్టు. అండ్ లోకాయట్స్ వర్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ అథెటిక్. లోకాయట్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ అథెటిక్స్. అథెటిక్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ నాస్తికులు. దే డిడ్ నాట్ బిలీవ్డ్ ఇన్ గాడ్. దేవతలు దేవుడు అంటే నమ్మకం ఉండేదా? నో. సో దట్స్ వై I shall mention here, they were extremely atheists, Nastikul. And Lokayats opposed soul theory. Lokayats opposed soul theory. Soul means Atma. They were opposed Atma. They did not believe Atma. And here one famous guru is then, that is Charvaka. Charvaka was the famous teacher of the Lokayat sect. That's why Lokayats known as Charvakas. The original materialism of the Lokayats probably gave birth to the natural science later. Already I told here, Lokayats are believed materialism. That's why they were called materialists. The Lokayats' original materialism is impact or influence on the nature of or natural science of this country. మన విజ్ఞాన శాస్త్రానికి ఇది పునాది లాంటిది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ Lokayats. Brihaspati was the founder of this sect. Who is Brihaspati? He was the legendary guru of the gods. And Loka means Pali and Sanskrit language, the world. Lokayats believed materialism and they were extremely atheists. They were also opposed karma theory, and Charvaka was the famous teacher of this sect. And the materialism of the Lokayats is influenced on the birth of natural science in this country. So this is information about Ajivakas and Lokayats. Tomorrow we shall discuss about the fourth chapter, the Mauryans or Mauryan kingdom.